Hi, I'm Kevin Frawley with Resolute Yachting, and it's another beautiful day in the Bahamas. We're sitting at anchor off Rose Island, and I'm here to show you the 2012 100 Custom line named One and Only. This 100 Custom line is a 5-stateroom layout with a master on deck, 2 VIPs down below, and 2 twin guest staterooms, each with en-suite head. One and Only has a great captain and crew, and an owner willing to spend the money to maintain her. Her hull was repainted in 2023. Soffits and flooring have been replaced, as well as extensive continued maintenance done in the mechanical spaces, including both 50 kW Kohler generators being rebuilt in 2025. She has a beam of 23 feet 9 inches and draws 6.5 feet fully laden. It is equipped with 16 V2000s generating 2,600 horsepower each and giving her a top speed of over 24 knots. An economical cruise speed of 12 knots burns only 30 gallons per hour total, which allows for a range of over 1,500 nautical miles. Starting at the back of the boat, we have the tender garage, which also doubles as a beach club, and we have a floating dock for the jet skis and sea bobs, as well as entry into the water. Then we have a swim ladder and a passerelle on the port side for med mooring. Here on the aft deck, we have dining for 12, as well as an ice maker and a drink fridge. And then moving forward, we have the engine controls with hydraulic bow and stern thruster. Stepping into the main salon of the boat, you immediately feel the beam at 23 feet 9 inches. There are full walk-around decks, but it's still spacious and expansive. There is a large L-shaped leather couch to port, as well as accent chairs to starboard, and then the sliding glass doors out to the main deck balcony, and a Salon TV. There are 2 Starlink systems that provide internet and streaming services to all the TVs. Formal dining for 10 is forward, and there is a dedicated storage for all the cutlery, crockery, as well as all glassware. The interior woodwork is a light walnut, accented with white oak flooring and carpeting that was installed in 2025. Moving forward in the passageway, there is a day head to starboard. As we enter into the master stateroom, the highlight is the use of the full beam as well as these large hull side windows, which allow excellent natural light and a view to the surrounding seascape. We have a queen-size bed with a 65-inch TV on the aft bulkhead. Then forward, we have an owner's closet and a master head with twin sinks, a water closet, and a shower that also has the hull side windows. Stepping down into the guest staterooms, each with en-suite head and shower, we have 2 VIPs with queen berths, then there are identical twin berths, each with Pullmans. The highlight of each of these staterooms is the large hull side windows, allowing an unrivaled view of the water. In the raised pilot house is the command center of the boat. Chart plotters are operated with a Ferretti Time Zero navigation system. Then we have controls for the FLIR night vision, Humphrey trim tabs, Simrad autopilot, ABT hydraulic bow and stern thruster, Naiad fin stabilizers, and controls for the at-rest gyros, as well as a 13-camera CCTV system. In the chef's galley, we have Miele appliances, a convection oven, microwave oven, a large Bosch fridge, as well as extra drink fridges and a 5-burner Miele cooktop. Up on the Flybridge, we have helm stations on both the port and starboard side, as well as a large dining area and a full bar with ice maker and fridge. And then we have a large sunning area here on the aft boat deck. Inside the mechanical spaces, we find twin MTU 16 V2000 2600 horsepower diesel engines. We then have 2 Kohler 50 kW generators, both having been completely rebuilt and zeroed in 2025. Then 2 PTOs off each main engine, providing hydraulic power for the bow and stern thruster, and ABT track fin stabilizers. 2 Indramar water makers, And then aft, we have the 4 Mitsubishi gyros for stability at rest. And that's the full walkthrough of the 2012 100 Custom Line one and only. She's a very special boat in excellent condition, and she's hitting the market for the first time. Please contact me if you have any questions or would like to see her in person.